Hi to all engineering students out there, especially to my students in advanced engineering mathematics. Welcome to the second semester of the academic year 2020-2021. Today, I'm going to discuss the class policies on synchronous sessions and give you a brief background of the topics that you will be learning in this subject. So advanced engineering mathematics is a 3-unit subject, and the prerequisite is differential equations. Take note that you can take this subject as long as you have taken and passed differential equations. So what are the topics that you will be learning in this course? So advanced engineering mathematics involves the study of Laplace and inverse Laplace transforms, Fourier series expansion, Z transforms, power series, and new techniques in solving ordinary differential equations and partial differential equations. Our first topic will be complex numbers and complex variables, and you will be learning about, in the later part, matrices, determinants, and systems of linear equations. Now let's move on to the class policies on synchronous sessions. Number 1, the official synchronous session platforms of the university are Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Zoom. In our subject, Advanced Engineering Mathematics, we will be using the Zoom platform. Number 2, log in the session link 5 to 10 minutes before the synchronous class schedule. Number 3, use your official email account in case we will be using the MS Teams. Okay? Students who will use personal email accounts will not be accepted during synchronous sessions. For the Zoom platform, you must sign into your respective accounts. Number 4, follow the required dress code of the university. Number 5, please turn on your microphone and webcam only when prompted. The faculty can mute and unmute participants during synchronous sessions. Again, as I mentioned in number 4, follow the required dress code, for you will be prompted to open your webcams before the start of the discussion. Number 6, find a study space that is well ventilated, clean, and orderly. This study space will ensure the conduciveness and confidentiality of the synchronous sessions being attended. Okay, number 7, wear your headsets or earphones or any similar devices during synchronous sessions to ensure sound quality and guarantee security and confidentiality of all information discussed. Number 8, should you have questions or concerns during the discussion, you may type the question or send a message of request to be acknowledged on the chat box. If your video is on, you may simply raise your hand to be prompted to speak, or you may use the raise hand icon in Zoom platform. Number 9, if you are experiencing technical issues with your device or internet, notify your professor as soon as possible, or notify me. Number 10, attendance in synchronous sessions is recorded for monitoring purposes but is not part of the grading system. During synchronous classes, we will be having a seat work that is recorded. That's why we require you to attend the synchronous sessions. If in case that you cannot be able to attend the synchronous sessions, so please notify your professor. If you have a valid reason for not attending the class, I may be giving you consideration and give you a makeup seat work. Number 11, synchronous sessions will be recorded by the faculty so that those who missed the session can catch up. Recorded sessions also give all the students the chance to review the session. The recordings will be deleted at the end of the term, or if all students have accessed the lecture already. So you can access these recorded lectures in your learning management system or the M rooms. Now let's go to the grading system. Since advanced engineering mathematics is a purely lecture subject, so we will be following this grading system. So 40% will be for your major examination, and 60% of your grade will be coming from your quizzes, seat works, and problem sets. Now for the academic calendar, the second semester of the academic year 2020-2021 will follow the approved academic calendar. So we started the class last February 18. Your prelim examination will be on March 24 to 30. Your midterm examination will be on May 3 to 8. The final examination for those graduating this semester is on June 14 to 19. And for non-graduating students, we will follow the schedule June 21 to 26. So this second semester will end on June 26th of 2020 of this year 2021. So if you have any questions, so please message me via MS Teams, and I hope you will enjoy learning advanced engineering mathematics. Have a great day.